In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Substack. Let's dive right in. It's a simple and quick process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to substack.com. This is the central hub where all your Substack adventures will begin. Once you've reached the home page, try to locate the Create Account button. Clicking this marks the beginning of your journey into becoming a Substack creator, so it's an exciting step forward. After this, you'll be prompted to select some interests that align with your passions. This allows Substack to personalize the experience for you, tailoring content that truly excites you. Once you make your selections, simply click on Continue to proceed. You'll then be introduced to a selection of creators that Substack thinks you might like. This is a great opportunity to observe the community and perhaps draw some inspiration for your own Substack. Take a moment to browse through the creators and, if any of them catch your eye, don't hesitate to click Subscribe and Continue on a creator's page that interests you. Moving on, you'll need to enter your email address. This step is essential as it ensures the creation of a personalized and secure account. Be sure to check those boxes agreeing to the terms of use, which are a standard requirement when you start your publishing journey. Once you've agreed to the terms, click on Subscribe and join Substack. You're inching closer to becoming a Substack creator. Next, it's time to enter your name. This is how other users in the community will identify you, so make sure it represents you well. Following that, you'll need to create a unique handle. Think of this handle as your digital signature, so choose something memorable and personal. With the handle in place, the next step is to write a short bio. This is your chance to tell others about yourself, what drives you, what your interests are, and what people can expect from your Substack. Once you've completed your bio, click on Continue. Now, you'll have the option to download the Substack app for convenient access on the go. While it's not mandatory, having the app can make managing and accessing your content much easier as it provides flexibility and ease of use whenever you're away from your computer. If you decide to download the app, simply follow the easy prompts provided. Otherwise, you can click Continue to proceed. Finally, with all these steps completed, you can click on Start Reading. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Substack and are now ready to explore, read, and eventually start creating your own posts. By following these straightforward steps, you've joined a rich digital community of writers. Substack not only serves as a launching pad for writers but also fosters a vibrant ecosystem of readers and creators with whom you can share your ideas and grow. Thanks for joining, and happy writing!